Hi, welcome to Sid's Tips. Hope you're having a great day. And yes, we are in tax season once again. And today I want to put out my annual video just reminding you, if you haven't set up your IP PIN, your identity protection PIN, you definitely want to get this set up. I've been doing it for many years, and every year I get my letter sent to me in the mail by the IRS with that PIN. So every year you'll have a different PIN number. So if you're wondering what is an identification PIN, well, glad you asked. So identification PIN, and I'll put a link to this page. This is on the IRS website. It is a 6-digit number that prevents someone else from filing a tax return using your Social Security number or individual taxpayer identification number. And it's only known between you and the IRS. It helps to verify your identity, and it just, again, protects you from someone else filing using your Social Security number. You want to make sure to keep this private and only share this with your tax preparer, whether it's an accountant, CPA, EA, and again, this way it stays protected. Again, I'll be sure to put a link to this page where you get more information. It talks about here how to get an IP PIN, getting an IP PIN, alternatives to the online tool, such as filing an application for an IP PIN, requesting an in-person authentication for an IP PIN. And again, here are some other important factors and information to know about the IP PINs. An IP PIN is valid for 1 calendar year. A new IP PIN is generated each year for your account. Logging into to get the IP PIN tool will display your current IP PIN. An IP PIN must be used when filing any federal tax returns during the year, including prior year returns. So there you go. Also has some information about lost IP PINs, and you can get that information if you're curious if it is lost. So if there are other questions, I would recommend going here to this page where you can do some research, but I at least wanted to share with you about making you aware about an IP protection PIN and getting one set up if you haven't, especially. And if you have, good for you. And it should add some more comfort, as unfortunately identity theft is on the rise, and this way it helps protect you. So any questions you have, please let me know. Thanks so much for joining me today. Be safe, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care.